hoping that the next generation of these students is going to clean up the country. Whether we're supposed to teach that in the schoolroom, or we're supposed to teach that at higher education, or like the Minister of Canada said this morning, the family is supposed to teach that, I guess there are no easy answers. Thank you so much.
With an issue of how do we create knowledge in this country, how do we make institutions truly institutions of excellence. Can there be another model other than just merely the IIT and the IIM model, which are more and more resource driven kind of institutions which have very strong resource backup given from the government? But here in the private sector, we are really talking about the productivity of the resources that are deployed in the system itself. Now I'll touch base upon just two or three different aspects, that to my mind have really made a significant difference to the growth of NMIMS as a university. One of the biggest kind of a question that we debated once we got the university status was that of how do we create programs, how do we create a learning culture which is going to
have actually been solved for selectively. There are institutions, centers of excellence, the IITs, IIMs, you've got a bunch of private institutions, BITS, Shiv Nara University, Manipal, Symbiosis. There's a whole long list of institutions who've done a number of very interesting, innovative things, and we just need to find a way to institutionalize those and replicate those on a larger basis. So really, the five sort of action points that emerged, and I said, I've asked some of the panelists to cover those, really are: one, the need to focus on research and on international partnerships to accelerate that research agenda. So I think that's clearly one important need that will drive quality, that will drive far greater or far sharper academic outcomes, and I think it's important for us as private education to focus on that. I think the second important thing is the whole employability agenda. How do we make ourselves more relevant to corporates? Anand touched upon it in the previous session to say that usually the interface with corporates is a placement year-end exercise. I think that is the problem, and I think both sides, academics, the academic institutions as well as the corporates, need to take a few steps to meet each other. I don't think it's a one-way street, but I think both sides need to get far deeper, models where they can engage much more deeply and try and solve each other's problems and understand each other's problems, rather than just sort of sit back and try to dodge the issue. I think the third important aspect is really to understand, and going back to my point on segmentation, I think it's important for us to start understanding who is the student or what are the key characteristics of the student that each one of us wants to target. So there are, as I said earlier, it's important to segment the 30,000-40,000 institutions that we have, and I think with that segmentation will come a much deeper, the need to have a deeper understanding of who is your student and what is the outcome, what is the proposition that you're delivering to that student. I think there's important, given the large number of institutions, it is important for us to have a strong support structure wherein standalone private institutions, and there are many thousands of those. So if you take the 30,000-40,000 institutions, most of them are standalone institutions. They are not part of a larger network, and therefore I think it's important for us to have some kind of model where there is greater collaboration, sharing of knowledge, sharing of resources. That is achieved to be able to help these institutions sort of grow faster and improve their quality outcomes. And finally, I think we cannot disregard the need for creating new capacity, and therefore there has to be a sort of enabling framework, or there has to be a smoother journey path for us to be able to create new institutions. Again, we've got panel members who will talk to us about what is been their experience creating new institutions and